going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing Dyno Day Part 3 with none other than my boy Jonathan Wang right here in his Tanzanite blue M4. You ready? Let's go! We are here at Orlando Auto Works doing a group Dyno Day. As you guys saw in the previous video, F30 Skirt just ran his 340.
Putting down the numbers.
And killed it.
Numbers, baby.
Let's go. Next up we have Jonathan Wang in his 6-speed Tanzanite blue M4. He is on full E85. E75. Full bolt-on, mid-pipe exhaust, downpipes, charge pipes as well. So we'll see what he's putting down. My guess is probably in like the 570s, maybe 560s, maybe 550.
Jonathan was saying a little less.
Oh, a little less? Oh,
as
because
far as higher mileage, he has some
true that. He told me.
injectors maybe.
Yeah,
Diff, some other things that might occur, some drivetrain loss, but
yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what he runs.
Regardless, S55.
Yeah. So we'll see what he runs. I'm super excited to see what he runs actually. And then also my car and Caleb's car will be next. So this is just a fun-filled Dyno Day with the boys. We are back on YouTube making videos. So make sure you guys drop me a like, subscribe for future content, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, follow these boys on Instagram as well. We got Kyler, F30 Skirt, Caleb, Yes, another M4, Michael, and then we have Jonathan Wang right here. I'll put everybody's Instagram and YouTube channels down below. Let's go. No lie, I'm pretty scared to load my car up because it's pretty low, but I think they got it figured out. So this is Orlando Auto Works. You guys see a bunch of their cars here. We got a Dyno Jet, and yeah, we'll see what he runs. As you guys saw in the previous video, got a solid like 5 runs in, and all of them were super consistent. So I think this dyno is actually reading very accurately within a certain range, of course. We got my F80 over there, and Caleb's warming up. Oh man, I'm super excited to see what the F80 runs, but I'm also excited to see what Jonathan's M4 runs and Caleb's M4 as well. Sorry about the fan right there, but he also has carbon ceramic brakes, as you guys can see. And that Tanzanite blue paint under the light looks incredible. All right, everybody, Jonathan Thousands, as everybody knows from all the videos.
Yep,
let the people know what you're running today, what's done to your car, and then what do you expect out of your M4?
Okay, so I have charge pipes. I have the carbon whatever deletes on the intakes. Downpipe, E85 spark plugs, and then I have the OTS flex fuel tune. Nice. Multi-map tune.
Yep.
So we have the boot mod flex fuel kit on the car, and yeah, I think we should push 550, hopefully closer to 600 torque, but like I was telling these other guys, the car itself is, I believe, has slightly leaky injectors, my clutch is slipping, and then my diff mount bushing is like cracked to hell. So, you know, all these things combined can't help me, so I'm assuming it's going to be lower. I think I'll be happy with like 530, 540. I don't know, we'll see.
We'll see. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys follow him. Instagram, YouTube, you already know. What do you think?
I have zero clue.
Yeah, but they're strapping up his M4 now. I'm excited to see what he runs. I really am, because me, Jonathan, and Caleb in our S55s all have different tunes and different mods done, so we'll see what he runs. All right, Kyler, what's the conclusion of today's Dyno Day, and has it met all your expectations?
Definitely, it has actually exceeded my expectations.
Nice.
So now all the hard work and all the money spent is well worth it. Because I got to my goal. My goal for this build, you know, is like anywhere from 450 to 500 wheel. On stock turbo. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna do a turbo upgrade. That's like the last thing I can do besides MEP. But I don't know. I don't think it would be worth it at this point. We'll see.
We'll see. Make sure you guys follow him, YouTube, Instagram. You already know. All right, right now we're waiting for Jonathan's car to get all set up. It is a hot day, as you guys can tell. Your boy is sweating. So do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. It's absolutely free and it helps me out a ton. As you guys can see, Jonathan's car just started up. So let's see what he runs. All right, first run didn't count, but you guys see some type of numbers. What would you say, Kyler? What happened after the first run?
My car's faster.
That's right on what you thought it was.
That's
This
exactly.
dyno is on point.
We got 537, 573 on run number 1.
Hey, listen, I'm the best butt dyno ever. I said 530 to 540. That's what I said.
There you go. Hit him up. He'll guess your age too.
Yeah. I'll guess it all. I'll guess it all.
Yeah.
Already got the money run.
All right, so first run was in 4th, second run was in 3rd. I think his car likes 4th, obviously better. That's what we're getting so far.
Yeah, so to give you an idea of what's going on with these numbers right now, the first one was the 4th gear that he was suggesting. Online it says 5th, so we tried 5th. We got like a max power of 200 or something. And so he did a 3rd gear pull just to see how it would be. It is lower, so we're going to go back and do another 4th gear pull. I've known that my clutch has been slipping ever since I've been on E85 or stage 2, just because of the amount of torque. The stock clutch doesn't hold as much power as you need it to, especially depending on the previous owner. And I'm pretty sure the previous owner did not take care of the clutch as much as it should have been.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's slipping. I need a new clutch.
And then explain to him what happened.
Yeah, so if you notice the lines, they all sort of go up and then they come back down randomly. That downwards is when it's slipping. He said it should hold it straight all the way through. And that's what the dyno operator said. So he was telling me that on a good day with perfect clutch, I should be maybe in the 560, 550 range, which is what we were thinking. So.
Yeah, so that makes sense. So hopefully get another couple more clean runs though and see what happens.
Yep.
We got 521. What was the torque? 517 torque.
First one was the money run.
We got El Benito on the vlog. Alright, so that was run number 4 for Jonathan. I think he's happy with the 537 since his clutch is slipping and one of his injectors is giving him a problem. It could be better once he gets those things resolved, but I think he's happy with those numbers. His car is freaking fast. As you guys know from the feature film that we did, his car is fast. I know from the butt dyno myself, and now the actual dyno proves that. So yeah, I think Jonathan is super happy, but I think he will be back for more once he gets his little issues resolved. That's it for Jonathan's car. I'm not sure if we're loading my car or Caleb's car next, but we'll get a post dyno interview with Jonathan and see what he thinks. All right, some final words with Wang on his dyno day. What do you have for the people?
I need a new clutch. Just plain and simple. I mean, I knew it from the get-go, so.
Yeah, but are you happy? Consistent? Where you're happy?
I'm happy with the first number. The first number was where I thought it'd be.
Yeah.
And he even said, like, if it wasn't for your slipping clutch, you would be getting the same numbers every single time.
Nice.
So.
Yeah. Will you be back?
Yeah, once
you get a new clutch. True. All right, so make sure you guys follow Wang, subscribe to him on YouTube, and follow him on Instagram. Support the homies.
Yes,
Next
sir.
up, yes, another M4. We got Caleb up in the house.